Let's get straight into it. Today is Sydney's 13th-month lock retwist. This is the before, and I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use. So stop, pause, screenshot. I'm going to be using two new products, which are the Amika Hydro Dream set, because I didn't want to buy the full products. I just wanted to test them out. And then the So Slick braid and grip gel. And no, none of these are sponsored. I'm not in collaboration. I wish I was, but no, I'm not. I just want to try out new products for Sydney because she needs moisture. She has 4C hair no matter if she's in locks or not, and your hair needs moisture. And look at it, it looks so good. It's starting to drop a little bit, and I want to say she's fully locked. It's another video. We're back. What we doing, Sid? We doing her 13th month lock retwist. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow. I tried to get her to lay on the counter, but she said that hurts. She said, I remember when you used to make me do that before, and she never liked it. So we tried it, y'all. What you reaching for? Okay, we're just letting that. Look at her locks, y'all. Her locks are everything. They're growing. I think they're fully locked now because the way that they're laying, I think they dropped. I don't know when your locks drop, but I think her locks has dropped. Anyway, so today we're going to be using Amika. No, this is not sponsored. I bought this from Sephora, and her hair. Your hair has to have moisture. I don't care what state it's in. You need moisture, okay? And then this is a Hydro Dream. So I'm going to be using the Hydro Rush. But first, with locks, you must always clarify. Clarify your locks, okay? So we have the shampoo, the Hydro Rush shampoo, intense moisture, conditioner, intense, that's an overnight treatment. You're not doing that. It's a leave-in conditioner. Tell y'all it's okay to treat your locks the same way you would treat your loose hair. Okay? Is this too hot now?
No, that's what I put on this.
Run this all over you. Help me, Sydney.
What?
Rub all of that in.
Where? Here,
The shampoo, yeah. Deep. Rub it in there. All over. The front and the back. Put it in the back. Way in the back. Right here. Rub it hard. Don't be scared to rub it. In the front too. She gonna learn today, y'all. Put it in the front too. Both hands.
Mama, what was this coming doing?
Okay. We're almost done with the first shampoo. Rub it right here. Turn your head. Almost done with the first shampoo. Got our black towel.
You don't put like in like the middle where the splashes. Oh, sorry. See.
Rub that in.
What? Big giraffe in the middle of the day.
Bring it to the front too. In the middle, all around. So, we got this. Oh, don't it smell so good?
Yeah, it does.
This Hydro Rush smells so good, y'all. Take it to the front. So she's rubbing it in. I'm gonna stop recording in a second and help her bring it to the front in the middle and really put it in there. But the lather is good because I clarified her locks. Look at that lather, yeah. Got it from a different angle, it's looking good. Oh, what? Got it. Really good. First. No, put down. Squeeze your hair in the sink. Hard, squeeze it. Take it by. Squeeze it hard. The water coming out. Okay, so we're finally done. Now I'm using the leave-in conditioner. This is my first time using a leave-in conditioner in Sydney's hair, so I did not use much. Next, I'm using Supa Luxx, my hair growth oil. I never do hair without it, and I really get in her sectionings, her parts, her scalp. Make sure everything is in there sealed. That scalp is A1. Now, here's the problem. I get ready, I prep her hair, and I do everything the exact same way as I normally do her hair. So the only thing that's different is the So Def and the shampoo. And a lot is different, but I still shampoo and condition her hair. The only thing that's different is I used a leave-in conditioner. Make sure you always have a black towel on hand if you have black hair, because it will reduce the appearance of lint. Let's get into this So gel. Okay, so like I said, I did her hair the exact same way that I used the other products that I used in previous retwists. And I put them alongside the hair. I never put it on the scalp. And I place it on my hand to warm the product up, so when I use it, it will be easier. Let's get into the parting. Never put it on the scalp because it irritates the scalp for some people, and some people it will and it won't, but I don't put it on Sydney's scalp because I don't like flakes or anything, and I don't want her scratching her hair, messing up my hard work. And yes, some of y'all asked, is Sydney still tender-headed? Yes, she is tender-headed. I had to cut out a lot of the footage of me parting her hair and everything else. She's still tender-headed. It don't matter if she's at the salon, because somebody made a comment like, oh, I think she playing you because when she at the salon she don't do this. Yes, she does. She doesn't do it as much because she's in front of other people and she doesn't want to embarrass herself, but she does it. So thanks, but no thanks. So everything is going well. I'm pulling the comb through. I'm going to stop doing that too, because I don't like combing the lock through and then twisting it. I'm just going to start twisting it without combing it through, because I'm like, is it this fitting the locks? Even though Sydney's hair is going to be thick anyway because she has naturally thick hair, but I don't want to do that. It doesn't seem right to me anymore. Okay, so I'm eating it up, y'all. Look at that first row. It looks so good. You can kind of see a little white in there, but I'm like, okay, it's going to dry up like all the other products do, but it looks so good. I'm patting myself on the back, honey. Get to the second row. I see how the shampoo and conditioner just help with the retwist, the moisture, the hydration. Look at that. But the product has a little whiteness, a little white cast still, but I'm like, when it dries, it'll leave. But the Hydro Dream did its thing. Her hair feels so good. You can tell it really softened and did its job. And then I'm showing you the So Slick because I'm like, okay, it's white. My hand had like a white cast on it. I'm like, did I use too much? Because overall, you have to know your product. That's what I was taught when I went to cosmetology school. When it comes to makeup and hair, know your product. And I think you have to use a little bit of this to avoid the white cast or white speckles in it. Even when it dried, it still looked dry, and I didn't like it. I didn't switch up the product because some product is white until it dries and then it disappears. That's been my experience since I've been doing my hair and Sydney's hair. So a little white doesn't scare me. So we're all finished. I'm excited. I say let's get under this dryer for 45 minutes. She couldn't do 45 minutes, so we only did like 30 minutes. And I'm like, all right, girl, let's take them out. So we started taking them out. They started looking good, but as I'm taking them out, and I had her help too, I'm like, girl, you are 12 now. You can help me take everything out. I do see white still left in there. After about 30 minutes, it should have been gone under a hot dryer. And as soon as we got every clip out, Sydney looked in the mirror and was like, Mom, it's really stiff. Look at all the white. That white, oof. And I tried to spray some shine spray over it just to cover it up. It covered a little bit, but the ongoing days. But right here, this is when Sydney was like, Mommy, it's so stiff. I can't even move it. So I probably won't use it again because Sydney was like, even when you were partying, it felt different. So I was like, okay, it's okay because you can put your silk scarf on and then tomorrow it'll all be gone. It wasn't, but I didn't say anything to Sydney. She came home from school. She was like, Mom, that white is still in there. I looked in the mirror at school and I saw the whiteness and I was like, oh, it's okay. So I don't know if we're going to try it again, but overall her hair came out nice because I put more oil in it. I put some shine in there, but it still looked dry, like the So-So gel dried it out, but it's okay. We won't use the product. I use it on my edges the next day and it worked well for that. So I'm just going to keep it for that, and maybe I'll try less. But Sydney's hair requires a little more, and if a little more is going to cause a cast of white or white speckles in her hair, I'm just going to have to give it up, but I'll use it for edges or something else. I only tried this because I saw a super scent. She suggested it on her TikTok or her Instagram, I don't know, and she had it on her edges and she was like, y'all should get this for locks, and her son has locks. So I was like, okay. In the comments were talking about, oh, how they love it so much. I was like, well, okay, let me try it. But this is a reminder that everything that works on one person's hair doesn't work on another person's hair, and I'm okay with that. Even though it appears to be a good product for some, it didn't really work for Sydney, but I used it on my edges. It was great. The front of her hair was not given fresh retwist, it was given old. If you guys tried this product or any of those products, comment down below or give me suggestions on what I should use next so I can review it for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, follow, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.